It's emotional abuse.
Life is not the same. I can't eat or sleep.
We are treated less than human.
What if I told you these are the exact words of seniors in Canada who've been separated from their spouse? When most people think of getting older, they worry about losing their spouse to death or illness, not imposed long-term separation. I'd like to start by telling you about Tom. Tom's a resident I met while working at a long-term care facility during my undergraduate degree. Tom and his wife were married for more than 25 years, but were now separated in 2 different long-term care facilities due to her complex care needs. Now Tom would tell me stories about their life together. They first got married, vowed till death do us part, and then spent all their time traveling around the world. But now, Tom and his wife were separated and only had the means of visiting each other once a week. This is the possible lived reality for so many seniors in Canada. Tom's story reflects our grandparents, parents, and loved ones all across Canada. And on top of this, loneliness and depression are both major concerns for long-term care residents, and they are further exacerbated when these residents are separated from their spouses. So why do spouses get separated? Well, there's a growing number of older adults in Canada, which has caused additional stress on the long-term care system, resulting in increased wait times and limited beds. Older adults don't have a say in staying with their spouse. The social and power dynamics that exist within long-term care facilities have often repressed older adults' voices, leaving residents unable to advocate for themselves or their partners. And so with my research, I'm exploring intimate partners' experiences of loneliness and depression due to long-term separation when one or both spouse is admitted to a long-term care facility. I am using a participatory action research approach, meaning that this research will work both with and for long-term care residents, and they are actively involved in all stages of the design, execution, and dissemination. Alongside participants, I'm using methods like photo voice, interviews, and storytelling to really explore the experience of spousal separation and how it relates to loneliness and depression. Residents themselves get to decide what methods they want to use to best express themselves, giving them back autonomy and choice. The value of my research is that it will allow policymakers and long-term care staff the ability to understand the experience of spousal separation and what works to support them. I want you to think of someone you love who may need long-term care. Would you want them to be separated from their spouse? It is so important that we are supporting long-term care residents just like Tom, who've been separated from their spouse till death do them part.